Welcome back, you lovely YouTubers. In today's video we're going to take a very quick look at stock, Foresight Autonomous Holdings Ltd, ticker symbol FRSX. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. Come on guys, please hit them like and subscribe buttons, so we can continue to bring you fresh content and the latest hot stocks. If you want to join our Discord community, it's 100% free and links in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Foresight Autonomous Holdings Ltd is a technology company engaged in the design, development and commercialization of vision systems for the automotive industry. The company develops both in-line-of-sight vision systems and beyond line-of-sight cellular-based applications through its wholly owned subsidiaries. Its systems are designed to improve driving safety by enabling highly accurate and reliable threat detection while ensuring the lowest rates of false alerts. Foresight is pursuing several markets and believes its advanced systems will revolutionize automotive safety by providing an automotive-grade, cost-effective platform. Shares of Foresight Autonomous Holdings, a designer and developer of sensor systems for the automotive industry, are up 17% after the company received positive patent news from China. More specifically, Foresight announced it received a notice of allowance from the Chinese Patent Office for its running vehicle alerting system and method, which is technology that helps detect traffic lights and signs. The patent will allow Foresight to use its stereoscopic camera-based object detection capabilities to provide collision alerts through the iNet application, in order to reduce the likelihood of accidents and injuries, according to the company's press release. Foresight Autonomous Holdings, an innovator in automotive vision, has received a notice of allowance from the Chinese Patent Office for the patent it filed for its proprietary running vehicle alerting system and method. The same patent received approval from the US Patent and Trademark Office in April 2019. According to the company, the patented technology involves a running vehicle alerting system that is designed to detect traffic lights or traffic signs. When the system detects these devices, it produces a collision-avoiding signal if the distance to these lights or signs is less than a safe braking distance. The system works by combining passive forwardly directed optical sensors along with analytics of images of traffic lights and signs. The system also analyzes the location data of each vehicle. This information is transmitted to a remote server via cellular communication. That data creates alerts warning of possible collisions. Those alerts are transmitted from the server to the smartphone of the drivers of the vehicle. This patent includes features of Foresight's QuadSight automotive vision system along with iNet Mobile's cellular-based V2X accident prevention solution. According to the announcement, the patent will allow Foresight to provide collision alerts designed to reduce potential accidents. Foresight Autonomous last posted its earnings data on November 12, 2020. The reported 10 cents EPS for the quarter, missing analysts' consensus estimates of 7 cents by 3 cents. Foresight Autonomous has generated $0 earnings per share over the last year. Foresight Autonomous has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Thursday, March 11, 2021 based off prior year's report dates. Institutional ownership is 1.52%. Two Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Foresight Autonomous in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $10, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 22.25%. The high price target for FRSX is $10 and the low price target for FRSX is $10. There are currently 2 buy ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Always do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, please like and subscribe for more content. It would really help the channel grow. Thank you and take care.